Hello, I'm Mayor Sylvester Turner. The North Houston Highway Improvement Project is planned to be one of the biggest infrastructure projects our community will see in a generation. It is important that, if funded, it meets the needs of residents and businesses along the corridor. That's why I've initiated a public process last year, alongside TxDOT's work, to engage stakeholders to address prominent concerns and identify opportunities for improvement. This public process is led by the Planning Department, with help from the Facilitation Group and a team of technical experts. Throughout last summer and fall, they have been listening to the public by hosting 7 public meetings and reading through all written comments received to date by City and TxDOT. They have used that feedback to develop alternative designs to improve the project. Over the next several days, we will present potential alternatives as a menu of options. We want to hear from you about whether the alternatives respond to your concerns on a wide range of issues, from flooding to housing to transit and beyond. This information will also be made available on the internet at the end of this week. Let me say this: I-45 in its present condition floods, and there's a great deal of traffic congestion. During Tropical Storm Imelda at I-45 in North Main, more than 100 vehicles were trapped in flood waters. For those of us on the north side, we know I-45 and North Main constantly floods, and the feeder roads at Airline, Tidwell, Parker, and Little York are often impassable. This needs to be addressed, and any future work on I-45 should mitigate any risk of flooding. I will not support 3 feeder lanes. The design and construction of I-45 must align with the development of our transportation transit mobility network. It must tie in with the Metro Next plan and future multimodal forms of transportation. If done right, the project can be transformational. We want to hear from you, and we welcome your input. We would rather give you more information and choices than you would probably like, but doing less for some would also be unacceptable. Please share with us your thoughts as we work through this process. The feedback from these meetings will help me and others negotiate with TxDOT to refine the project into one that serves our entire community.